I am going to be making some Pico De Gallo. I had a craving for some chips and salsa. Pico De Gallo is basically fresh salsa. And so I've got all my ingredients here ready to go. First thing we're gonna do, you wanna have about 4 tomatoes. If you use smaller tomatoes, like Roma tomatoes, you wanna have like 5, maybe 6. And you're just gonna go ahead and start by using your nifty little Pampered Chef tool here that is going to take out this core of the tomato very simply, so I don't have to fuss with that. And this tool is actually really good for not just tomatoes but strawberries. So just like that, bam, done. And I'm going to do that with all my tomatoes, and I'm going to cut them up real fine. Okay, I've got all my tomatoes cut, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my small batter bowl, which is another Pampered Chef bowl that is amazing because you can cook in this, you can put it in the oven, you can put it in the microwave, you can store things in it, you can even bake a cake in it, which is really cool, and we'll do that in another video. There we go, got my tomatoes. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut up half of a red onion. Okay, we're gonna add our red onion. And now, 1 jalapeno, but actually, I gotta tell you guys, this is actually a jalapeno because we don't really like hot stuff in our family, so we use a jalapeno. And I'm gonna actually use my little tool to pull those seeds out. We're gonna add our cilantro. About a half a bunch, not a whole bunch. And we're gonna pull off the leaves, because that's the part you want. Okay, we've got our cilantro chopped up real fine. We're gonna add that in. All right, now we need to add 3 cloves of garlic, and we've got one of my favorite Pampered Chef tools is the garlic press. This was one of the first things I ever got, and I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. So you can take your garlic, you don't need to peel it, just as it is, pull off a garlic clove. You're gonna open up your press, put it in, and simply squeeze it. All your garlic comes out, and then you've got this nifty little tool. You're gonna scrape the garlic off that you pressed, open it up, turn it over. You've got this part right here is gonna push that skin out, and then you can just simply scoop out what you're not using. Pretty cool, huh? So we're gonna do 3 of those. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna add some lime juice, which you can, if you have fresh lime, that's great. It's about a half a lime squeezed. But I just don't have any, so I'm gonna use some lime juice today. And so a half a lime is about a tablespoon of lime juice, so we'll just go ahead and add that in. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. This is just to your taste, so we will check it after we mix it and see how it is. I'm going to use my Pampered Chef scraper, which is awesome for scraping bowls, mixing, many things. Just going to mix this up. The thing with pico or fresh salsa is once you get it all mixed up, you really want to let it sit in the fridge for like at least an hour. Let it chill, let all those flavors just meld in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on because that comes with our bowl. Pop it in the fridge, and then when it's done, we'll take it out, taste it, try it, see if it needs maybe a little more salt. If not, we'll just enjoy it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the tools I used today, I'll leave some links in the description. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.